Dana Johnson, and yes, I'm from California, and I want to show you a California layered egg salad. Okay, so I have here a plate of romaine lettuce, and I have some salad dressing. Ranch is very popular in California. And basically I just want to coat the greens. Don't want to drench the rest of our California salad with dressing. Rather let all the wonderful toppings and the layers come through. So I'm slicing a big meaty tomato. I'm going to layer those on. I'm going to slice up some cucumber. We're going to do some more layering. Cucumber layers. Next, we're going to put in the eggs. Again, doing more layering. Because it is a California layered egg salad, I'm going to do a double layer. Put some slits in the avocado, make a nice little dice. Okay, so we put the avocados and a little bit of red onion. Makes for a nice color. Very fragrant too. Then the final touch will be some lemon cracked pepper. So there it is, California layered egg salad. It's making it Dana-licious. For more recipes from Dana in California, please go to danasfamilykitchen.com.